Hey everyone! Are you frustrated with weird settings in Word? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Word to its default settings quickly. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Sometimes Word settings can get messy. Fonts, templates, or even toolbars might not behave the way you expect. Resetting Word to its default settings can help you start fresh and fix unexpected issues. We can reset Word's registry settings. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to Key Current User Software plus Microsoft Office. Your version. Word. Right-click the Word folder and delete the Word folder. When you restart Word, it will recreate default settings. And that's it. Resetting Word to default settings is that simple. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if this helped you out. See you in the next one.